Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add another language to your keyboard on Motorola Moto G51 5G. So first you need to go to your settings. Then scroll down to the bottom. System, Language and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, Gboard, Languages. And for this example, I will use Polish language. I press Alt keyboard, Polish, done. And now, if we go anywhere where our keyboard will show up, for example here in my messages, I start chat, hold space, and I can choose the language that I picked, like so. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, liking and commenting this video.